Oh hey guys, my name is Jason Jones, known as Ninja Vlogs, and today I'm starting my very own plush review of Funtime Foxy, and not because Funtime Foxy, Funtime Freddy too. Hey guys, my name's Funtime Freddy. Funtime Freddy, not the time. Oh, sorry, I just got back until it's time for me to get my plush review on. Yeah, baby! Sorry about Funtime Freddy. He's just a bit, weird right now. But, just like he says, I'm doing a plush review on Funtime Foxy and Funtime Freddy. And as you may know, I have a channel called Ninja Vlogs. Well, you might look at the video because you're going to see the name of my channel, Ninja Vlogs. I said it. Doesn't matter about that. It really doesn't matter. But, see, I don't remember what day it was, but I think it was January. Yeah, it was January the 18th. January the 19th. No, it was actually December. Sorry, I'm getting it mixed up, but I think it was December I got this. I don't know, but just like I said, I got it from GameStop. It was like 18 because the day I went to GameStop, I saw Funtime Freddy and Funtime Freddy. Then I was like, and I was asking my grandma. Yeah, my grandma. Yeah, that's right. My grandma took me, but I was asking my grandma. Don't mind the mess right there on the side of my bed. Don't worry about that. But I told my grandma I wanted how much for both of them, because I really want to get Funtime Foxy and Funtime Freddy, because I had $20 in my hand to get both, but I had to see how much it was. See, the guy looked up, he said it was like 8, no, he said it was like 8, no, 12, or no, 16, so I was sad because I thought I had to put like one back and only get one. Don't mind the noise outside in my living room, there's people coming in. I think it was my mama. But till the guy looked up again, he said it was 8 something. So I got Funtime Foxy and Funtime Freddy. So when I got Funtime Foxy and Funtime Freddy, I came home with it, and then I started using them. Sorry about my camera, guys. My camera just turned off by itself. But like I said, I used both of them, but I ain't used for that long since I just got both of them. But yeah, so when I put them up in my cabinet, but I took them out because I realized I could use it for videos and stuff. But just look at the details of Funtime Foxy. I'm gonna get the Funtime Freddy in a minute, but look at the details of Funtime Foxy. See, you see the little snout right here, the little lipstick that Funtime Foxy got, the little 3 freckles on each side of the lip, the little speaker, the red tie, red bow tie, doesn't matter, the pink cheeks, just like the real Funtime Foxy in the game that Scott Cawthon made, and the little 3 strands of hair that Funtime Foxy also got, like the other Foxies, the little fox ears too, and stuff. So, oh yeah, I'm gonna actually put up a picture like right up here, so I could see the resemblance of how him and the plush version of Funtime Foxy. Oh yeah, and he also got the little tail too. So just like I said, I got both of them. I got Funtime Freddy and Funtime Foxy from GameStop. And speaking of Funtime Freddy, I'm done the review of Funtime Foxy. But I'm not done yet, because I have a special plush that custom Funtime Foxy plush that I made. I'm sorry to throw him. He deserved it, but there's not like the little edit music, sad music to it. But I made a plush custom of a different Funtime Foxy called the Twitter Detective Funtime Foxy. He's just like Funtime Foxy. I'm sorry, I have to scratch my nose. But he's just like Funtime Foxy, but I added a few details. You see the little I see a little dotted line, tie. And see, I used hot glue gun to hot glue this tie on, and as you can see, it's actually sticking on. Sorry, it's too big, but it doesn't matter. Then I hot glued the magnifying glass. Again, sorry to scratch my. Sorry again about my camera. It keeps turning off. But just like I said, it also has the magnifying glass that I also hot glued on. It has the tail, and as you can see, I use black marker to do like the little withering. And also, look at the eye. He's missing an eye. You can still see it because I couldn't, marker it all the way in to make it look like y'all can't see it. But I keep scratching my nose. My nose always be itching. I don't know why. But he is missing an eye, and he still has this other eye that he can still see. And just like I said, he got the withering on the top, like right here. Sorry, I put the camera too close to it like that. I'm sorry. And the ear also has withering. I was gonna add like the little wire sticking out of it. Yeah, my nose keep being itchy. I'm sorry about this, guys. But my thing always be yeah, just like I said. Wait, what I said again? You know what? Yeah, just like I said, my nose keeps itching. But just like I was about to say. Yo, see, as you can see, it's also withering. Just like, oh, now remember. Okay, so just like I said, guys, sorry, I keep forgetting what I'm about to say. But I said I was gonna add the like the little wiring to make it look like it's really withered around right where I put the withering marks at. But I don't have the little thing to make it look like wire sticking out. So I just had to leave the withering without the wire sticking out. But don't worry, when I find more, but when I buy some, then I'll use it, and then it look like the wire sticking out. But now that I'm done with that, oh yeah, also put in the comments below of how do you like this. I had to shake the camera, but yeah, comment down below of how you like it. And what other type of custom plushie do you think I should make that y'all might like? Now that I'm done with that and reviewing that, now it's time to review Funtime Freddy. See, now here's Funtime Freddy that we're gonna be reviewing. Sorry guys, my camera keeps turning off. I need to find a way how to make it stop doing that. But look at Funtime Freddy. He got the little black bow tie, just like in the real FNAF game of him. He got the pink snout, he had a pink snout with the black nose. He also has the little speaker. He has Bonbon. Yeah, he has Bonbon. He has the two purple cheeks that Funtime Freddy also have. The cute cuddly ears that he has. Then the big bow and the little big hat that he has too. And yeah, and also yeah, even a little puppet. Yeah, let's go to Bonbon now. Yeah, just like Bonbon. Yeah, Bonbon in the game. He has had the little ears, the little hands, also the bow tie, the red one like Foxy has, and the little button that looks like a speaker, but it's a button. Yeah, and a little snout and stuff. I don't know why they made it like that, but the way they made it like that, So now that's the end of the video.